Elephants have the largest brain of any mammal on the face of the earth. They are creative, altruistic, and kind. Besides humans, higher apes, and dolphins, elephants are the only species that have a sense of self and can identify themselves in a mirror. We admire elephants in part because they demonstrate what we consider the finest human traits: empathy, self-awareness, and social intelligence. They mourn the loss of one of their own, but the way we treat them puts on display the very worst of human behavior. Once elephants roamed the savannas and the forests of Africa by the millions. However, they soon may succumb to the same fate as so many other animals and plant species that have disappeared from our planet forever. More than 100,000 elephants were poached in just 2 years. With hundreds of thousands of tons of ivory being seized, China is by far the largest consumer of this illegal and deadly trade. And this is just the ivory that was seized. How many thousands of tons of ivory made it to the East? The two main factors decimating the herds are primarily the demand for ivory and geometrically increasing demands for farmland to feed the growing human population. By far, poaching creates the greatest loss of elephants, as entire herds are slaughtered, including immature and young individuals with little to no ivory. Besides elephants being killed for destroying farmland, fences and other barricades, such as urban areas, have virtually cut off ancient migratory routes that are necessary for the survival of the existing herds. Elephants are considered a keystone species in the African landscape, as they play a key role in maintaining the balance of all other species. When they knock down a tree, it creates more grassland for grazing animals. They dig water holes, and their footprints create places for water to collect that are used by many other species. Simply by everyday life, they make trails that are used by many and act as a natural fire break. The question is, are we happy to suppose that our grandchildren may never be able to see an elephant except in a picture book? Although the solution is simple, implementation is not. Poachers need to be stopped, and farming methods to keep rogue elephants at bay need to be practiced.